Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. 9 muscle building foods for lean muscle. Striking the rig balance between protein, carb and fats is muscle food 101. But less familiar is the influence of nutrient partitioning, how your body decides whether calories from those nutrients are burned as fuel, stored as fat, or used to build new muscle tissue. You might already be regularly munching some of the foods below. Others may come as a surprise. All of them will fuel your mission to build lean muscle. Number 1. Soybeans. If your goal is building lean, green muscle, soybeans are your most dependable option. Unlike other vegetarian sources of protein, those little legumes contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them an essential vegan muscle food. Tofu, tempeh, and most vegetarian meat alternatives are made out of soy, which boasts around 36 grams per 100 grams served. Number 2. Pineapple. Fruit isn't your typical bodybuilding fare, but an exception can be made for pineapple. It's the only food known to contain bromelein, an enzyme that digests protein. Pineapple is often uncomfortable to eat, because the bromelain is digesting the skin on the inside of your mouth. Number 3. Salmon. As well as a huge helping of complete protein, salmon is high in omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA, which optimize nutrient partitioning by reducing inflammation. Omega-3 increases insulin sensitivity, resulting in less insulin floating around in your bloodstream. A good thing, because insulin boosts fat storage. Number 4. Whole eggs. Those golden orbs contain large amounts of the amino acid leucine, which is essential for post-exercise muscle recovery. Whole eggs in particular are considered to be something of a protein synthesis powerhouse. Number 5. Garlic. Your coworkers may not thank you, but your biceps will. It's all to do with a compound within garlic called allicin, which reduces the amount of stress hormone pumping around your body. Cortisol competes with testosterone in your muscle cells, so essentially less stress results in better gains. Number 6. Turkey breast. At 29 grams of protein per 100 grams, turkey is another big protein hitter. It's also high in zinc, which is essential for protein synthesis, and helps your body maintain healthy levels of testosterone. Number 7. Oysters. Let us offer you some pearls of wisdom. Oysters may not be the best known muscle food, but being packed with upwards of 20 grams of protein in every 100 grams, they have an impressive nutritional profile. Compared to chicken, oysters contain more than 8 times more iron, and almost 50 times the amount of zinc, around 5.3 milligrams per medium-sized mollusk. Number 8. Quinoa. Quinoa is one of the few plant foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids, with the added benefit of fiber, magnesium, B vitamin, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin E, potassium, iron. Here are around 5 grams of protein in every 100 grams of cooked quinoa. Number 9. Almonds. As snacks go, almonds are among the most muscle-friendly. They're packed with vitamin E, which is essential for repairing cellular damage caused by exercise. One serving contains 35% of your RDA, along with 6 grams of protein. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.